this is Isabella with Quarantine with Kids, and today we are going to be talking about fossils. When you think of fossils, what do you think of? Well, me, I think of dinosaur bones, but fossils actually include so many more things that used to be living. They are the preserved remains or traces of plants and animals, of course, that were once living. There are two main types of fossils. The first ones are body fossils, which are the parts of plants and animals. So for example, the spine bone of a dinosaur. And the second type of main fossil are trace fossils. And those are the signs of organisms. So like a footprint or the outline of a shape of a plant or an animal. There are so many other types of fossils, but those are the ones that we are going to focus on today. So how are fossils formed? Well, after a living thing, plant or animal dies and either falls off of a plant or a tree, or its remains kind of just collapse there. After many, many years, different layers of sediments of sand and dirt and rocks and so many other things form on top of it for years and years and years to create solid rock. Then, over time, as the rock wears down, people come and look for fossils. These people are called paleontologists, and paleontologists are scientists who specifically study fossils, and they use lots of specific tools to chip away at rocks and to find fossils. Why are fossils important, though? Beyond the fact that fossils are really cool, they help us understand a lot about things that were once living, especially things that were extinct. We know how things looked, their size, their shape. We might have known where they lived, when they lived, and how their life was and how their life ended. So they're super important for us to study. So today we are going to be making our own fossils with the ingredients that you probably have already at home, and you need a couple things. First of all, a bowl to mix in. You need flour, salt, and water. I've already measured everything out for myself, but it is 2 parts flour, 1 part salt, and 1 part water. Okay, so I have my flour, my salt, and my water. So I'm gonna start to pour everything in. And mix up with your hands. It's gonna get a little messy. I think I need a little bit more flour here to make it nice and firm. And you're going to knead it or mix it together for about 2 minutes, unless it's forming super quickly. Just put a little bit more flour. Okay. All right. And mix it together. That's a lot more like it. So as you're mixing, you can decide, are you going to make body fossils, like the parts of the plant or animal, or are you going to make trace fossils? I'm going to make one of each. And after you shape them in the way that you want them, you bake them in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, and after that it should be hardened. So for my trace fossil, I'm going to flatten it, see right there, and I'm going to take my Lego animal and create an imprint. So now you can see the shape of the fossil. And I'm going to put that down so I can bake it. And then for the rest of it, I'm going to make it into a dinosaur bone. Like this. And then put it in the oven and bake it. Thanks for watching.